see you again. I'm here today to do a little bit of an unboxing. So my order for Herb & Eden just came in, and I also made a small little purchase from Old Navy, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm gonna start with Old Navy. So this is the first one I got. It is a olive tote bag. It's on clearance on the website, and it's really cute. Let's open this. Oh wow, this is a cute bag. This is nice if you're going grocery shopping. It's like a little tote bag. Let's see. Yeah, this is cute. Like a little, this is lovely. Like if you're going shopping, this is a nice, cute bag. Nice and durable, and plenty of room to put items in. I like this. I'm gonna use this when I go grocery shopping. Second one is another one from Old Navy, so it's shipped separately. So here, I got two shirts here. The first shirt is this beautiful forest shirt. I fell in love and I had to get it because I love the color green. And there's a forest in the background. You got like, I don't know, looks like a crow, eagle, maybe an eagle, but this is in an extra large in women, I believe. And I fell in love with it. It was on clearance and I'll be wearing this shirt. I need more wardrobe stuff. Second one is this simple, kind of like a washed out blue shirt, purplish shirt. I liked it because I need a new shirt and it was on clearance, so I'll be wearing this for sure as well. This is very, very beautiful. Okay, and the next items here are like, I view them as more like makeup, travel stuff. So I got this tote bag here, like a little makeup tote bag. This was on clearance. I believe it's like $5. This is what it looks like. You could put makeup in here. If you're traveling, this is perfect to store things in. Look at the hearts. I had to get it. I love this. I might use this for work for like my feminine items and lip gloss and whatever. Next, last items from Old Navy are these two cosmetic brush travel case. These were on clearance because I leave my brushes out and I don't feel comfortable because there's, you know, I don't want dust on my brush. It's not good for my skin. So you put your brushes in here. I'll grab one of my brushes. So this one, you just slide in there. Store brushes in here. I think this is just perfect to protect your brushes. So I'm hoping I should have got like 10 of these. They're like perfect. There's this one and the teal. Is this called teal? I'm not sure what you call this color as well. Isn't that beautiful? Maybe got good stuff on clearance, so these two I'll be using these. The star of the show. You know I love Herb & Eden. They are my favorite company and I had to restock and try out some new stuff. So I have 4 items. Some are repeats and 2 are new items I've never tried before. So for the repeats, I had to get my favorite face wash. The Herb & Eden Tea Tree and Turmeric helped me with my skin so much. I love using this every morning and it really improved my skin. So I had to restock on my favorite face wash from Herb & Eden. It is the Tea Tree and Turmeric. And guys, just a side note, if you are on the website, you could use my discount code, which is IceLovesBeauty, for 10% off your first purchase. It should still work. So if you're interested in trying any of their products, make sure to use my link if you want. So yeah. The next item that is a repeat is the Tea Tree and Yarrow Toner. I used this after I wash my face with the Tea Tree and Turmeric. I used this right after with a cotton pad and you put it all over my face and my neck, and I put it with my the oil, like a facial oil after. So I had to get this. I have a low amount of this in my stuff right now, so I needed to restock. Now the 2 new items I have, this is their brand new and limited edition bergamot and patchouli. Now I was sold because I love earthy smells. Let's see how it smells like. Oh, this is beautiful. It is an uplifting and regenerating body oil. Bergamot patchouli. This won't last long. I'm gonna make another purchase. Oh my god, it smells earthy. This is perfect. I love bergamot and patchouli. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells amazing. It is limited edition on their website, and this is their brand new body oil. This is perfect. If you love earthy smells, get this. I'm so excited to use this. The last item I have here is from Urban Eden. It is their Eczema Solve. This is for sensitive and dry skin, and this is unscented. This is beautiful. Let's see. Okay, this is definitely easy to remove. I'm gonna put it, where am I actually? I'm gonna put this right here. See how, ooh, this is wonderful. If you have, ooh, this is great if you have dry skin. I might want to use this after I take a shower actually as well, and then put the patchouli on top. This is unscented, so if I put that on top, oh my god, I will be lathery and moisturized. This is beautiful. You see that? The difference? With, without, with, without. Okay everyone, this is everything I have purchased from Old Navy and Urban Eden. I love my new items, and I really love that tote bag. I just want to say that is so beautiful. It's like a beautiful green. Oh, I love green. Yeah, I love everything I bought. I'll definitely be using all of these products. Guys, it's nice to be back and uploading. I will see you in the next video. I'll see you. Bye.